Assalamualaikum. Craving for soup? Let's do French onion soup. Join me. First, we cut a lot of onion, guys. In our hot pot, we threw in some butter. And we add a little more of olive oil. Now our onion in. We add some salt. And we will going to caramelize this, guys. For our croutons, we season it with salt, black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. We will put this to our hot oven for browning. Now to our caramelized onion, I put some malt beverages for the glazing. Our beef stock. We add some Worcestershire and some thyme. Now we put this to our hot oven with cheese. Okay guys, our most amazing French onion soup. Try it at home. Enjoy!